Let's make a square loaf of bread. 1 2/3 cups water warm and a tablespoon of yeast and a dash of sugar. Then we need 2.5 cups of bread flour, a teaspoon of salt. Mix that together. Add your yeast mixture, a tablespoon of olive oil. Mix that together. It should be a moist dough, a wet dough. Knead. If it becomes uncomfortable, use some olive oil to fix that. Cover and rest for 1 hour. 1 hour later, remove air, shape, place in your tin or makeshift tin as I did. Spread dough, cover. To spread dough, you could wet your hands with water to make it easy. Spritz dough with water, rosemary, and rock salt. Bake 350, 35 minutes, and voila. Let the dough cool completely before slicing. Wow.